it seems like markets are likely going to continue to sell off a bit more, which again, a lot of market makers would like. Then I also want to cover this recent post from Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, on a great end to the year after going to their Swell 2025 conference. And it really has been a major news cycle for XRP and Ripple this year around. There was a lot of positive developments. They made a lot of key acquisitions. More people and institutions are coming on board. People are taking this environment far more seriously, even the government and virtually all regulatory bodies. That said, they announced a $500 million investment in Ripple, okay, not XRP, because that 500 million, if it was invested into the XRP token, we would have seen it show up in the price. Ripple is a private company that institutions and accredited investors could have bought through a series of funding rounds. XRP is the token that is currently in their escrow and is their largest asset on their balance sheets. But $500 million is no small amount, and that was invested from the Fortress Investment Group, Citadel Securities, Pantera, Galaxy, Braven Howard, and Marshall Wace at a $40 billion valuation just a little over a year ago. I think almost like two now. The company Ripple was valued at close to $11 billion. Now they are $40 billion. In other words, Ripple, if you were an investor in the actual company, you would have made out extremely well on that investment. And it's all due to the price action on XRP, which allowed the company to acquire a lot of other businesses that are adjacent to put them in a league of their own. Many people are wondering if there's going to be an IPO. Me personally, I don't think they would need to IPO anytime soon, considering they are consistently profitable and do not need to raise capital by offering stock to the entire public, which is one of the only reasons you would want to go public. But when you go public, you also open the doors for a lot of other issues and regulations. And I don't see the reason they'd want to do that just yet, considering it's been an insanely tremendous year for growth for the company Ripple. The investment isn't just validations of Ripple's growth strategy and business built on the foundation of XRP, but also a clear bet on what the future of crypto will look like.